Hello folks, Chef Enrique here from Dean's Stove and Spa. Today we're going to be cooking 2 chickens in our Garden 80 from Rossofuoco. It's an indirect oven imported from Italy. Welcome to Dean's Stove and Spa in the Plantsville section of Southington. My name's Chef Enrique. We're going to be doing a little bit of a demo on the Garden 80 from Rossofuoco. It's an indirect oven for outside. Let's get started. Separate combustion chamber from the actual cooking chamber here, as you can see. So a couple of neat features about this indirect oven here. Separate combustion chamber. You know, it allows you to control the temperature a lot better. We're gonna be making a whole chicken today. I've made chickens in the past on this oven. The best, the most moist chickens I've ever made here. A couple of neat features, you know, you have a convection fan in there, you have internal lighting. You can control how much steam you have in the oven at all times. You can control how much smoke. That way, you know, you want your chicken to be smoky or less smoky. You can control all of that. Hey folks, now we're gonna get our prep going with our chickens here. Our oven is currently getting up to temperature right this second. We'll do a little bit of trimming here, the excess fat. Put that to the side. We're not gonna be using that. We'll season. I like to inject my chicken. That way we ensure that the chicken breast is nice and moist. That tends to dry up a little bit. We are using a Pit Happens, one of the seasonings we sell here at Dean's. One of our many seasonings that we sell here. This is more like an all-purpose seasoning. I use this on fish, on beef, pork. Pit Happens, really good seasoning line. This one's kind of salty, so I don't do too much of that. Then I'm gonna use a combination of that and a big green egg seasoning that we have here. The one I'm gonna be using is a pecan seasoning. Different flavor profile. Go heavy on this one. This one doesn't have a lot of salt. A little bit of roasted garlic infused olive oil. This is a little mixture I made of both of our seasonings. I diluted it in a little bit of hot water or warm water, and I also added some beer of your choice. This is going to ensure moisture and flavor inside, mostly in the breast. That's what tends to dry up a little bit more than anything else. Big fan of doing injections around here. I like using beer, gives it a really good flavor. You can use apple juice, pineapple juice, any type of liquid. Just use something, that way it doesn't dry out. And we're ready to go. Alright folks, our oven is getting up to temperature now. We got a nice fire going. We're just gonna put our chickens in now. These chickens ready to go in the oven. We're gonna cook them slow at around 250 degrees. You know, a few more things about these Rossofuoco indirect ovens, apart from them being imported from Italy. You know, we have a great price point. We beat any of our competitors. Apart from that, we have financing available, 0% interest, same as cash, for about like a cup of coffee a day. If you drink coffee, a cup of coffee a day will pay for this oven. 12 months, that way you don't have to pay for it all up front. You can do that also, but great asset to your backyard. You can cook a whole bunch of different things. We're gonna be having some recipes. We're gonna be doing some more videos on different cookers that we have here at Dean's Stove and Spa. We'll check back in a little bit and we'll go from there. Folks, our chicken is about ready. We're gonna pull it out now. See what it looks like. All right, folks, final product. Both of our chickens are ready. Garden 80, again, indirect oven from Rossofuoco here at Dean's Stove and Spa. You're not gonna get a better price. It doesn't matter where you look online. Look how moist this chicken is. Look at how the bone is falling off. Now for the true test, we have to try it. Oh my God. That's some good chicken. You don't even need a knife to cut this. Alright folks, thank you so much for watching, following us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Look out for more videos to come. We're going to be doing a lot of videos on different cookers that we have here at Dean's Stove and Spa. Again, it's Plantsville section of Southington. Thank you.